we'll guide you through how to make a bar chart in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. Once the application is ready, open the Figma file where you want to make a bar chart. Click the Actions icon on the bottom toolbar of the interface. From the available options, choose Plugins and Widgets so you can use external tools that extend Figma's functionality. When the plugin panel appears, move to the search bar and type 𝗕𝗂𝘀𝗶𝗲𝗀 to find the chart generator plugin. As the search results appear, click the result called Plugin 𝗕𝗂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 to select it. After selecting the plugin, click Run to launch the plugin interface inside your workspace. Select the bar chart icon located on the top left so the plugin switches to the bar chart generator mode. In the bar chart panel, you can adjust the data settings according to your needs. These settings include values such as minimum value, maximum value, decimal numbers, and row values. For example, keep the default settings that are already provided by the plugin. Next, you can also change the data names, number of data points, and year labels that appear on the chart. For example, use the default dummy data provided by the plugin. Scroll down in the plugin panel to view additional settings that control the visual appearance of the chart. Within these settings, you can change the ChartSet theme to modify the overall color style. For example, switch the theme to dark mode if you want the chart to have a darker background appearance. Then choose the bar graphic style according to your design preference. For example, select the available bar graphic option shown in the plugin panel. You can also apply a quick preset if you want the plugin to automatically style the chart. For example, select one of the preset styles provided to instantly apply color and layout adjustments. After completing all the settings, click Generate to create the bar chart. The chart will automatically appear on the canvas inside your Figma file. Take a moment to review the bar chart that has been generated. Check the values, labels, and visual appearance carefully. If there is any incorrect data or design that needs adjustment, return to the plugin panel, modify the settings, and generate the chart again to update the result.